Hello, my creatively intelligent artists. In today's class, we're going to be doing a Zentangle landscape drawing inside of a keyhole. Are you ready? Grab your materials and let's go. First, you need a circular container so that you can draw a circle for the top of the keyhole. We are doing the drawing as if you are looking through the keyhole to see the beautiful landscape. Use your ruler to ensure that you get all your lines straight. So we're working with diagonal lines and horizontal lines with our ruler. Then we're going to be adding the landscape. You can decide how many mountains you want your landscape to have. I'm going to create 6 different mountains for my landscape. Let's add the sun to our landscape, and we're using semicircles for the sun. And we're doing more than one semicircle because we want it to look like the rays of the sun are shining out. And then we're going to use our ruler to create diagonal lines to add additional rays to our sun. Because we're doing Zentangle and Zentangle uses different patterns, we're going to be using our lines and shapes to create patterns inside of each section. You can decide what type of patterns you want or which lines you want to use. Just remember to repeat that element so that it can become a Zentangle masterpiece. Now that we're finished drawing our Zentangle in the keyhole, we're going to add a board effect to our background so that it can look like a real door and you're looking through the keyhole to see the wonderful Zentangle view. Guys, you've been doing an awesome job so far. Give yourselves a round of applause. You are doing it and you are rocking it. I'm going to be using my marker to outline everything, but I'm using different colors. If you just want to crayon your sections, that's okay. Remember, if I'm moving too fast, you can always hit the pause button.